Hey guys, Mr. Wahidul Haq here, back with another video. Alright guys, I'm going to give you a service update. So basically I've done all the services now. I've done the engine oil, spark plugs, engine oil filter and the fuel filter. And the spark plugs were really worn out. And so engine oil was black and runny as well. And my miles per gallon's gone skyrocketed. So the engine's doing really well. It's a lot quieter now on like idle and stuff. And it just runs a lot smoother. So I'm getting, in town I used to get about 38 miles per gallon. With the Red X I'd get about 40 something. It's in my video anyway, my last video. But now I'm getting 53 max, but averaging about 50, which is really good. So I'm really liking that. So definitely recommend servicing your car if you haven't. I've already done the cabin air filters and the other one, the normal air filter. One thing I did see was the intercooler was a bit dirty, so I'm gonna take off the I'm gonna take off the front bumper and clean that out. So after that, it should be fine. The only thing, last thing that's left is the brake pads. My front brake pads, he said, I've got a video on that soon as well, so you'll see that as well. And the reason I couldn't, the reason there won't be an engine oil, how to change it and anything, there won't be a video on that because the guy who did this video for the spark plugs, he handed it over to a different mechanic and he didn't want to be recorded, so that's that, innit? Just how it is. Gotta respect what he says. So yeah, but the other guy was sound. He was alright. I liked him. He's a joker. I love him. Right, so what was I talking about? The brakes. So my brakes at the front, my brakes at the back are fine. The front brakes are more worn because it is a front wheel drive car, and there's about 3mm left on them, he said, on both sides at the front. The back ones have about 10mm. Can you see the big difference? So yeah, the back ones are fine and the front ones definitely need changing. And I could feel them myself because he said there's about 1 month life on them left, but I'm gonna get them changed in the next 2 weeks. What was I saying? I could feel them basically when I come off a slip road. I can't brake. If I fully put my foot down on the brake, like I'm slamming on, it still won't slow down fast enough. Sometimes, so I have to, when I get off a slip road, I really have to slow down before I get off the slip road. So that's the thing it is. That's how I figured out the brakes are really bad on it. So they need changing quickly. Cause yeah, that's about it. And it does drag a bit. When I first start the car, it drags a bit with the brakes because they like cling onto it. But yeah, that's about it. So that'll get sorted soon. All the fluids are fine. Coolant is fine. Brake fluid's fine. Everything else is fine. Gearbox is fine as well. It's a dry clutch gearbox, so it doesn't need any servicing really. So it's meant to live for the life of the car, which is around 150,000. That's what the mechanic said, because of the timing chain. Well, the timing chain is going to change. I'm going to get it changed at 100,000 probably. It can do 150, but I'd rather not risk it, because if that snaps, most of the times your engine's gone as well, if it's in action at the same time. So yeah. Anyways guys, you're gonna see a lot more car videos coming out soon. Got the Seattle Leon coming soon. I've still not uploaded half the videos that I need to, like the Astra videos, the the Volkswagen Mark 7 ones I have. I've got quite a lot of videos. I've got the Range Rover Evoque and shit. Got the SVR. The SVR I've got like 3 videos on it. So I don't know. You'll see them soon. I do everything late. If you've been watching my recent uploads, you'll see that they're some of them are from 2017. That's how late I've been. So yeah. Anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Oh, one more thing I forgot to say about how much it cost me. So the servicing cost me, forget what I just said then. The servicing cost me £60. That's with the £20 spark plugs as well. So it's like a family friend, so he does everything nice and cheap for me, which is good. But he gives me the high quality parts. But I brought most of the parts. The engine oil was about £15, I think, for the 4 litre Castrol. That was a really good deal. It was in Asda, I think. Spark plugs I got for £20 for 4 of them, with NGK ones. I did have one before, but like I said, they forgot to give it, so I had to buy a whole new set. Well, I only had to buy 3 more, and then I'm going to return the ones that they send over. So yeah, what was I going to do? The oil filter was free, fuel filter was free, because I know the guy as well. Not this guy, it wasn't from this guy, it's another guy who works at a different shop. So he gave me all them parts for free for my YouTube videos. So thank you for that. And what else did I get? Fuel filter, oil filter. I think that's about it. Yeah. So the most cost was the labor, which took a few hours, like 2 hours, 3 hours. He did do a lot more other stuff for me as well, like just basic cleaning up and shit. Like my plastic bit of the dash is cracked and stuff, so we fixed all that. So £60 for 2 hours, not 2-3 hours. That's not bad. But yeah, anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.